we're back at the air handler. I said this morning we're working on a heat pump, and I want to show you guys how to continue wiring that heat pump that we was working on. So this is the yellow wire here. One of those wires is going to your thermostat, one is going to your outdoor unit. Okay, so you do that one here. Then you got your yellow. One of those yellows is also going to your outside. We're talking about how you wire up a heat pump this morning, and that goes also to the outside. Now, this is your board in here. So you have your board here, and on your board you got your leads and that white wire. One is going up to the thermostat, but it has to be hooked up to this big white wire here. One is going to the outside also. That's another one here. And it's very important, we have the green wire. But for the outdoor, it only goes to the thermostat, to that big lead coming from your board, because you don't need a green going to outside. This is for your fan. And we again looking at the heat pump. We're here and we do the common wire here. You have a big lead coming from your common, and you're going to your common outside and your common up to your thermostat. Here we have the red wire. On this unit we have what they call a float switch. Which if the water is full, the pan, let me just show you below here. This is a float switch in case the pan is full with water. That would kind of trip the whole unit off, so you know you won't have any problem. So this is a safety right here. You the line come to the safety, that come up to the red, and then you bring back all your reds wire here. The other two red from outside, and the thermostat comes back. So we can actually matching up wire, which the wires could be different, but all you have to do is just connect your wire from your thermostat, the orange to recap, and the orange to the outside. I will show you some more when we go outside of the unit, when we start vacuuming this unit and all that good stuff. So guys, this is our stuff here. We actually finished just showing you how you connect your wires inside your air handler, and this morning we're working on a Goodman unit. We'll go outside in a minute and we will continue our video on the outside. All right, thank you guys. Okay guys, we're back again. We're working on a Goodman unit over here, and it's a heat pump. So we'll go ahead and we'll take the cover off so we can start getting the wiring done. Okay, let's take the cover off here. It's a little bit different compared to the wires you use when you're actually doing strict air conditioning. So we take the cover off here in a minute. So as you can see, as I was explaining inside there, we got all our wires. We got this for the O terminal. This goes to your yellow for your cooling. This goes to your common. This is your red here, and this is a heat pump. We have a white for our heat. Okay, yes, let's go ahead and strip those wires here, and you could just do if you have your same colors inside, you could just do the same, you could do the same matching up that you normally do inside. If you check all the same wires going to your thermostat, and you have the same wires going to your unit. So I'll go ahead and start stripping those wires. There we go. Come on, Matt. You know, and on these videos, you're gonna get just what it entails. Don't you just hate when you start watching a video and it's all just a lot of fluff. I'm trying not to give you any fluff on this channel, but just give you exactly what you need so you could do your job well, effectively. Okay, so we go ahead and I'm actually stripping those wires as we speak here now. So I'm stripping here, I'm gonna cut this out, and all I'm gonna do is just join up the wires. So let's go here. So as I was explaining inside, we don't need the green going outside. We don't need the fan outside. So we don't need this wire. We don't need the black wire, and we don't need this. We need 5 wires, which is heat, common, yellow for cooling, red for power and your orange terminal for your OB terminal. Okay, so alright guys, so we'll just wire that up quickly. So I'm gonna start here and we're gonna strip those wires. That's my heat. Come on. That's my yellow, and it's a construction site, so I know there will be some noise in my ear, but that's okay. Let's come on, okay? And I always like to, when I use this wire, some people will say differently, but I always like to roll it up a little bit to give it extra, just in case there is a problem. The next technician has extra wires. It's okay. I think it's a good thing to give the extra wires. I'm gonna roll it up. Okay. Let's go back over here. Bring this up in here, and we can start making our connections. Yellow. This is my orange wire, goes to my orange. Okay. Let me take it so you can see it. Orange. Yellow. Yeah, we can have Goodman. So this is my yellow wire here. Okay. Do this really quick. This is my white, goes to my white. Okay. This is my red. Yeah, goes to my red. As long as this is a wire that goes on your thermostat and in your air handler. You could use different colors, so try not to get confused with the colors, okay? The same colors need to be matching. You don't have to be matching, but every unit could be different. Just make sure it's the same wire that goes to your thermostat and goes to your auto unit. Alright guys, I'm about to just wire this up together and then get my vacuum on, and I'll see you on the other side. This is how you wire up a heat pump. Alright, bye. Guys, now let's look at the Nest thermostat. We're actually wiring a Nest thermostat, but it would be actually the same for any thermostat. We have our orange here, going to our OB terminal, common, going to our common. We have our white, which is heat, red, power, and we have our green and our yellow. Okay guys, these are the same wires that are connected downstairs in the air handler. So we just wanted to show you how you wire up a thermostat, and this is a Nest E thermostat. Alright, I just want to show you, just take a look at those wiring in case you're on the job and you want to know how to wire up a thermostat for a heat pump. We're working on a heat pump this morning, and this video is all about wiring the heat pump. Alright, thank you guys.